to be the most ghetto shit I'm doing for work today. I'm putting dry vans out in a fucking field. Like, look at this drive back here. Like, I gotta fucking run into these branches. I have no choice. I have no fucking choice here. Oh, hell yeah. Oh, man. Can't believe I get paid to do this dumb shit. Alright, dude. Last video during the daytime. This is what I get to work with. Like, I gotta fit around that. Can't really tell. But I gotta fit around this. So we gotta go into the tree again. Into the tree! Sounds so expensive doing this. Just waiting to break off the CB antenna or radio antenna.